In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit an Etsy listing on the Etsy seller app in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Editing your listing on the mobile app lets you quickly update details like price, photos, and descriptions without using a computer. Now, if you want to edit an Etsy listing on the seller app, here's what to do. Start by opening the Etsy seller app on your phone and logging into your account. Next, go to the Listings tab. This is where all your products are displayed. After that, select the listing you want to edit to open its details. Now, make the changes you need, such as updating the title, price, description, images, or shipping details. Then, once you're done, tap Publish or Save to apply your changes. That's it. Your listing is now updated directly from your phone, making it easy to manage your shop anytime.